Hey, listen to me. Don't scroll yet. I'm about to share with you the most important update on WhatsApp. With this update, it is impossible for you to lose your WhatsApp, even though you misplace your SIM. Now, whenever you get a new phone, the first thing you do is import your old WhatsApp into your new phone, and WhatsApp will send you a verification code to the same card you use to register the WhatsApp. Now listen, what if you've misplaced the SIM card? Handicap. It is impossible to retrieve that WhatsApp. Alright, but there is a new update from WhatsApp to help you recover your old WhatsApp, even though you misplaced your SIM card. So in this video, I will show you the step-by-step approach on what to do on your WhatsApp right now, this minute, to prevent you from losing your WhatsApp. It is secured for life. So with no further ado, I'm going to take you straight to this process on my live sharing of my screen, so you see what I'm doing and how to replicate that to get your WhatsApp secured. So yeah, you're welcome to this channel. In this channel, we'll show you processes, we'll show you the latest thing going on AI, the technology. We'll show you things, the recent thing happening on the crypto space to help you advance in life, make more money on crypto space, and also help your businesses get easier with the help of the AI tools. Okay, let's dive in. Get your WhatsApp secure. So when you come to your WhatsApp, open your WhatsApp and look at the top right hand corner, you will see a three vertical point, which is here. I click, and then you go to settings. On the area of the settings, you look at account, you click account. Then on account, you see security notification, you see passkey. So when you click at your passkey, create a passkey. All right, click create a passkey. That will send you a verification code. Then you create your passkey. I'm not going to do that right now, and because I've done it already. So you come to your email, you click email address. So this is the most important part of this video. Now you're going to put in your email address. Your email address stands as a recovering email, kind of a recovering platform. Should in case you misplace your SIM card, you can easily recover your old WhatsApp anyway. It is practically difficult and frustrating when you're a business person and you build your WhatsApp of several contacts, let me say hundreds of contacts, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 to 10,000 contact lists, and those people watches your status and where you advertise your businesses, and now imagine losing access to that WhatsApp. Difficult to build 10,000 contacts that views your status, right? So that is more of the reason you have to do this right now. Drop every other thing you were doing, input your email address. They will send you a code, verification code, to be able to know that you are the owner of the email you provided in the space. So go ahead, it's a simple step. Put in your email, go get the verification code and sign it up here. Your WhatsApp is secured for life. Even though you lose your SIM, you can also recover your WhatsApp. So if this video is helpful to you, I want you to subscribe to this channel, share this video to several people your contact, your WhatsApp list, because they need to know this to secure their WhatsApp. So save it so right now. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification button so that each time we make a video like this around tech, around AI tools, around cryptocurrency, you are the first to see it and you will profit in it. So see you in our next video. Cheers.